The camper van we rented for the camping trip. It is a Class C camper van. Let's take a look inside. This is the cabin, the driver's side, the passenger side. It's pretty spacious in here. Lots of room. And here we have the kitchen. It has a sink. It has a stove. It has extra space for a cutting board. There is a side entrance door. Lots of cabinet space in the kitchen. Here's a dinette. It's pretty spacious over here with a table. Extra storage underneath the seats. It converts into a smaller than double bed, probably for a young child. Here is the upper bunk. This is a queen size bed. What you do is you pull this piece over. It fits right into this nook here. And it is a queen size bed. There is a refrigerator. It's got lots of space, so we'll be able to grocery shop and get a lot of food in there. Also a freezer, very spacious. Then there's a queen size bed in the back. Lots of windows, so you won't feel claustrophobic. There is a sink back here and a vanity. Lots of storage at the bottom. More storage here. And there's storage above the bed, which is very nice. Let's take a look at the bathroom. There's a shower with a skylight, and the shower is roomy. Let's look at the skylight. Very nice. There's a fan in the bathroom. It's hard to see the skylight. See it? Okay. Nice toilet with a foot pedal. And that is the tour of the camper van we'll be staying in for the next 6 days.